can't see it very well, but I'm laying down in my canoe so I can look at the stars. Let's see if I can see better if I turn it around. Covered up with the towel. I wonder how high the moon's up now. Couple twinklies up there. You can see a couple. Couple little twinklies. You can definitely see the moon. Trees it is now. Well, I better be careful in case I drop us in the water. Beautiful. Oh, okay. Too much fun in the water. Lying on my canoe. So cool.